How to repair error 0xA0200007 in Windows Method 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. First, you can try to repair error 0xA0200007 by troubleshooting. Follow the detailed steps below. Step 1. Press Win plus R keys on the keyboard to open the Run box. Then type MS Settings, Troubleshoot command in the box, and press Enter key to open the Troubleshoot tab of the Settings interface. Open the Troubleshoot tab, Step 2. Go to Additional Troubleshooters, Get Up and Running, Windows Update, then click Run the Troubleshooter option. Troubleshoot the Windows Update, Step 3. The computer will detect problems automatically. Once done, follow the instructions to repair the problem. Step 4. Restart your computer to see if the error is fixed. Method 2. Run the System File Checker scan. If the error still exists, try to run the System File Checker scan to fix Windows Update error 0xA0200007 through the following steps. Step 1. Press Win plus R keys on the keyboard to open Run box. Then type CMD in the box, and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open Command Prompt as an administrator. Step 2. After the window pops up, type sfc/sicannow and then press Enter key to execute the command. Step 3. After the process is completed, restart your computer and check if the error is fixed. Method 3. Free up the Windows Update cache. If the above method does not repair error 0xA0200007, you can refer to the following steps to free up the software distribution folder. This folder is used for the system to save the temporary files of Windows Update installation. Clean up this folder can help fix update failed error 0xA0200007. Step 1. First, you should stop the Windows Update services. Open Windows PowerShell by searching it in the search box. Then click the Run as Administrator option. Step 2. Input the command net stop woserv and press Enter key to stop the Windows Update services. Step 3. Then input the command ren-c:\windows. Software distribution, softwaredistribution.old, and press Enter key to clear the software distribution folder. Type command to clear the software distribution folder, Step 4. Then input the command netstart woserv to start the Windows Update services. Method 4. Restart Windows Update service. Besides, you can try to restart the Windows Update service to fix Windows Update error 0xA0200007. Step 1. Press Win plus R keys on the keyboard to open Run box. Type services.msc command in the box and press Enter key to open Services app. Step 2. After the Services window opens up, find and double-click Windows Update to open the Properties window. Step 3. Then set the startup type as automatic, and then click Apply button to apply changes. Set the startup type as automatic, Step 4. Click Start button at Service Status to start the service. Start the service, Step 5. If the service is already running, right-click Windows Update and select Restart to restart the service. Restart the service, Step 6. Restart your computer and check whether the error is fixed. Method 5. Use Media Creation tool to update Windows. You can also use the Media Creation tool to upgrade your PC or reinstall the Windows by creating an installation media such as USB and DVD. Download the Media Creation tool from the official Microsoft website. After finishing installing, follow the instructions of this tool to upgrade the computer. You can try these methods to repair error 0xA0200007. Hope these ways can solve your issue successfully.